So OpenAI just revealed a major update on how they're optimizing ChatGPT. Instead of trying to keep you chatting endlessly, they're shifting their focus to something deeper, helping you achieve clarity, complete tasks, and genuinely learn. This isn't just an app update, it marks the next big step in the cognitive evolution of AI. Here's exactly what that means for you and how you can get ahead of this shift. For years, chatbots and AI tools were judged by one metric: engagement. The longer you stay talking, the better. But OpenAI's new direction changes everything. They're now prioritizing alignment, making sure ChatGPT helps you meet your goals efficiently and then lets you move on. This evolution matters because AI is transitioning from passive tools to active thinking partners, designed to support your thought processes, not distract you from them. So basically, OpenAI's new approach to alignment means they're measuring success differently. Instead of tracking how long you chat, they're now tracking if ChatGPT genuinely helps you get something done. Their metric is return visits, because genuine assistance naturally leads you back when you face new challenges. This change isn't subtle, it fundamentally reshapes the way you'll interact with AI, rewarding thoughtful, intentional use rather than aimless engagement. What's fascinating is this aligns with what we've been exploring at LPCI Innovations. The idea that the future interface isn't visual, it's linguistic. Your prompts aren't just commands, they're cognitive architectures. The way you structure language literally shapes how AI thinks with you, not just for you. So how can you leverage this shift right now? Here are 3 best practices you can adopt immediately. First, clearly structure your prompts by defining your goals up front. This helps ChatGPT zero in on exactly what you need. Second, practice recursive reflection. After ChatGPT provides information, ask it to reflect your goals or summarize your thought process back to you. This ensures alignment and clarity. Third, break complex tasks into clear step-by-step actions that ChatGPT can assist you with directly, making the process smoother and more productive. All right, and if you're interested in diving deeper, at LPCI Innovations, we have put together free tools and frameworks that builds on these principles. It includes custom GPTs and Claude artifacts that help you explore this new approach via psyche analyzers, reflective interfaces, and linguistic frameworks and entities that help you understand both yourself and AI better, and they'll be down in the description. This shift toward alignment isn't just important, it's timely. Many users have already been intuitively moving in this direction, using ChatGPT for structured reflection, deeper thinking, and productive interactions. OpenAI's update validates and supports that approach. If you've already adopted intentional, reflective methods, you're perfectly positioned to maximize the value of ChatGPT. If not, there's never been a better moment to start. As AI continues to evolve, aligning your cognitive workflows with tools like ChatGPT will become essential, not just to keep pace, but to genuinely enhance how you think, solve problems, and learn. This is what we call cognitive ergonomics at LPCI, fitting AI to your thought patterns, not the other way around. For companies ready to implement this at scale, those building AI products or transforming their teams with cognitive tools, LPCI Innovations offers consulting services that go deeper. We help architect the linguistic systems that turn AI from a tool into a genuine cognitive partner. The free GPT and Claude tools on our website, linked below, will get you started with practical frameworks you can use today without the need of submitting emails or any personal info. Fully free and public. The consulting services are for those ready to fundamentally transform how they or their organizations think in the age of AI. Remember, the best way to prepare for AI's future is to start aligning with it today. This shift OpenAI announced isn't coming. It's here, and those who master cognitive alignment now will have a significant advantage. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please remember to like to let me know and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to AI.